In this video, I will show you how to uninstall apps on any MacBook. Now, before we start, make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. So the first step is to simply click on the Apple logo in the top left corner, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to System Settings. Now here you're gonna have to simply scroll down and then simply click on General. Then simply click on Storage, and then here you're gonna see this Applications button. Now you're gonna have to simply wait until this loads up. So as you can see, I have 31 gigabytes worth of apps installed on this Mac. So simply click on that, and then what you're gonna have to do next, so as you can see, you're gonna have to click on this information button, and then you're gonna have to simply choose which app you want to uninstall. So simply select it and then simply click on delete. Then simply click on delete again, and basically that's all you have to do. Now of course you're gonna have to enter your password if you have any on your MacBook, but that should be easy. So as you can see, now we just deleted that app. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.